Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ria Jose and this is Just Life TV. Today we are celebrating the big Shopee PH mid-year sale and I'm sharing with you guys 6 skincare products. Yes, the big Shopee PH mid-year sale is here. And to help you guys with your shopping, I am recommending 6 skincare products that I have bought or that I have gotten from Shopee. So the first one is, I don't know if I have mentioned this, but I have definitely posted about this on some of my social media platforms. This is the Avarelle Acne Cover Patch XL. Of course, I have to mention that my favorite acne patches are still Luxe Organix, but I also like this one. I chose this for this list specifically because I'm quite sure that a lot of you guys don't know about this yet. This is unique because it's XL, and I have recently found out that this brand actually now has different sizes now. For the XL, I want to show you guys how big it actually is kasi it's super interesting. I just saw this being recommended by other people. It's that big. This one is one whole patch. Can you see how big it is? Like, it's super big. It can practically cover 1/4 of my face. It's super big. When I bought this, wala pa yung ibang sizes, so I bought the XL. But now there's like a strip for the nose and other sizes, which I plan to buy. This has been very effective for me. To be honest with you guys, and I think you've noticed this, I do not actually get acne a lot, but I do get some that persist on certain areas. So sometimes I do get a lot of like small or tiny acne. Over here, it's not visible. I actually, wala ngayon. Pero sometimes marami yan, hindi lang talaga klaro. The visible ones are usually over here and sometimes they come in groups. Sasama sila, barkadahan. My favorite Luxe Organix acne patch won't suffice kasi maliit lang, diba? It's just one tiny dot. So what I do is I cut this up kasi sobrang laki niya talaga, guys. Hindi siya kasya sa chin ko. Abot na siya dito. To be practical, I cut it up. I use, I don't know what do you call those, pang makeup na scissors. So yun yung ginagamit ko. I cut the size that will be enough to cover kung saan yung acne ko that time. The next 2 skincare products that I recommend are cleansers. The first one, for days like today that I am wearing makeup, I actually use micellar water, but I have also discovered this one, and this is very effective. This is the NEUTROGENA Deep Clean Brightening Cleansing Oil to Foam. Why is it helpful when you're wearing makeup? So this is what I usually do when I use new makeup remover products. I try the makeup remover product and then I use micellar water to check if there's anything left. So far, sa cleansers that I've tried, this one is most effective kasi sobrang konti na lang yung naiiwan when I use the micellar water. The way you use this is you do not put water first. Like right now, I have makeup. Obviously, I'm not gonna demonstrate because I have a few other stuff to do pa. You pump like 1 to 2 pumps lang and then you put it all over your face. It has a gel-like texture which will help remove the makeup. After you're done with that, you put on a little bit of water and it becomes bubbly, it becomes foam-like, and it helps cleanse your face. But I do still recommend that you do double cleansings. No, actually hindi double, minsan triple pa pala yung ginagawa ko. I use this one to remove the makeup and to cleanse my face, and then I do micellar water. The one that I recommend is Simple. So, ayun, more than 6 na yung mga marirecommend ko, guys. This is the one that I use, Simple. You can also buy this from Shopee. Kind to Skin Micellar Cleansing Water. This has been very effective. I also bought another one, which I haven't tried yet. It's the double eye makeup remover thing. It's by NIVEA. I'm gonna let you guys know in a future video if that works effectively too. For now, this is the one that I recommend. These 2 are the ones that I really recommend for cleansing and removing makeup. So, nasira na yung list of 6 ko, guys. More than 6 na to siya because yung acne patch I also mentioned too. But anyway, moving along, let's go to another cleanser which I really love. I've been using the Face Republic Calming Acne Salicylic Cleanser. If you want to see the unboxing of all the Face Republic products that I got, the link will be over here. Why do I like this one? It is very gentle and yet it is able to help calm my acne, yung sinasabi kong dito. I've tried using this na hindi ako naga-acne patch. It's still very effective. The acne patch only helps to hasten the process and also to protect the area when it's newly popped. Parang pag nag-heal pa lang siya. So this is very gentle and masarap siya gamitin. I didn't taste it or ingest it. When I say masarap, the smell is... There's something herby about the smells. Nakakalma yung skin ko, nakakalma din ako. It's a mild pH gel cleanser that calms acne and blemishes, and it also gently removes dirt and excess oil. I'm the type that has like super oily skin, and before talaga I prefer cleansers and toners na alam mo yung afterwards super parang dry and tight yung face mo. But after using this, I found out that okay lang pala pag hindi masyadong ganun yung feeling afterwards. If you've seen me na walang makeup, you'd often see that parang always red yung dito na area ko and under the nose and over here and dito sa hairline. It's partly because of my seborrheic dermatitis. This one helps it lessen the redness and the irritation. I'm done with the cleansers. The next one is a toner. This one is the NIVEA Refreshing Toner. Like this one, it doesn't leave your skin like feeling super dry and tight. I like it because it's true to its word. It's very refreshing. Masarap yung feeling niya afterwards. I use this in the morning throughout the day, but I use a different one in the evening. Usually in the evening, I use yung anti-acne ko na toner. This one naman is for the day. I use it for the day. It tones deeply and removes residue, and it also moisturizes the skin to keep the natural moisture balance, and it refreshes and vivifies the skin. See and feel sensational, fresh skin. That's the only toner that I can recommend for this list. Finally, I have two types of gel that I recommend. The first one is the Nacific Aloe Tea Tree. If you haven't seen my unboxing of the Nacific products, the link will be over here and down below. I hope you watch those videos too. I like this because in general, I like aloe vera gel. I find it to be very soothing and it moisturizes the face. It keeps my face fresh. Even during the day, I put this before I put my makeup, before I put my SPF product, or when I sleep. I just find that it moisturizes my skin well without my skin feeling sticky or icky. The more interesting part about this, it also contains tea tree, so it also helps with calming my face, and it has anti-acne properties. This is 93% aloe vera. I highly recommend this from Nacific. And finally, the last product that I'm going to recommend, disclaimer, I haven't personally used it, but I have to recommend it. Why? I don't even have one right now, but I did order one because sobrang na-intriga ako, guys. Last Christmas, one of the products that I got was the NEUTROGENA Hydro Boost Water Gel. It's like a gel type of serum or a gel type of moisturizer that you put on your skin, so it's an alternative to this one. Why am I recommending it even if I haven't tried it personally? Because everyone that I gave it to absolutely loved it. Absolutely loved it. My cousins and even my nephews. Yung mga boys na binigyan ko, sobrang enjoy nila yon. They love it. They keep on bugging me to give them more. I bought more, but I don't know if I'm going to be giving it away to them because I'm so intrigued. I want to use it for myself. If you haven't seen that video of yung Johnson's ko na unboxing, the link will be over here and down below. There you go, guys. That's my top 6 plus skincare products that I recommend that you try out during the Shopee PH Big Mid-Year Sale. Here's a recap. So here's the first one, the Avarelle Acne Cover Patch XL. The second one is the NEUTROGENA Deep Clean Brightening Cleansing Oil to Foam. And another cleanser that I recommend is the Face Republic Calming Acne Salicylic Cleanser. And for the toner, I recommend the NIVEA Daily Essentials Refreshing Toner. And I have two gel type moisturizers that I recommend. The first one is the Aloe Tea Tree Soothing Gel by Nacific. And the last skincare product that I recommend is the NEUTROGENA Hydro Boost Water Gel. And of course, I also mentioned the Luxe Organix Acne Patches and the Simple Micellar Water. I actually have more to recommend, but these are the top that I highly recommend right now. Happy shopping, everyone. If you have any skincare suggestions, recommendations, or even questions that you feel that I might be able to answer or give suggestions or recommendations for, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and if you have a friend who's also interested in shopping for skincare products to try, please share this video with them. Some of these products are already featured on my blog. Please visit my blog, josalife.com. And I also feature these products and other products that you might be interested in, as well as ShopeePay vouchers and other shopping tips on my social media platforms. So please connect with me on Twitter, Ria Jose, on Instagram, Ria Jose Davao, on TikTok, Ria Jose Davao, and I have 2 Facebook pages, Ria Jose Davao, and video content on Josalife. There you go, guys. Marami pong salamat. Thank you guys for watching. Stay glowing, everyone. See you on my next video. Bye. Paalam.